Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by asking your ISP for a dynamic WAN address. This is the one decisive step. While you wait, log into your router and locate the WAN/internet settings so you're ready. Once done, record the router MAC and admin credentials, then verify whether your service uses DHCP or PPPoE. If DHCP, enable WAN DHCP. If PPPoE, prepare your ISP username/password. Make sure to note lease time expectations so you'll know how often the IP can. Now configure the router. Select WAN type as DHCP if ISP provides dynamic addressing, or enter PPPoE credentials if required. Once you change the mode, apply settings and watch the WAN status page for the assigned IP. You can shorten or lengthen the DHCP lease time to influence how often it changes. Shorter lease equals more frequent changes. If your ISP used MAC binding, enable MAC clone and set the router MAC to the device they recognize. After changing finish by confirming the external IP on the router status page or an IP lookup. You should see a different public address if the process worked. If it didn't change, use the router's release/renew or disconnect power for 60 seconds to force a new lease. Once done, test services that depend on IP changes. Troubleshooting tip: if the IP remains static, power cycle the ISP modem, enable MAC clone, and then call ISP support to ensure they've configured your account for dynamic addressing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.